So now we're going out to my side yard. My pool's still not clean. I just can't really get to it right now. Nobody wants to come out? Okay. All right. Show you the side of my wall here. Filled with water here. It's up to the wall. Okay. So we're going to go through here and go into my front yard. I don't need to bring you in. Just pause 1 second. Now I'm headed out my front door. Let's see what's out there. Oh, look at that. I have some birds in my front yard. I think they like to fit. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No. Go. Shoo. Shoo. These birds are so aggressive. Shoo. I have a pond. Well, the lake is in my front yard. You know, these birds are really getting to me. So I was trying to take you to see the front, the side of the house where you can't see anymore. But these birds won't let me out. Come on, birds, go. Shoo, shoo. Go. No. Go. Shoo. What they're doing is they're after the fish. The fish that are from the canal. Well, that's what's going on. And there's a squirrel here that doesn't know where to go, the poor little thing. I'm going to throw out some bread for it. But yeah, we got fish and a lot of wildlife here now. My cat wants to go out, but I think after he sees this bird, he's not going to want to go out. Tuck, do you want to see the birds? Look, Tux. Come here, look. See the birds? Alright, so this is what's going on in my front yard. I hope it gets back to normal soon. Tux, come here, Tux! Come here, Tux! Come here, Tux! No! Tux! No! Shoo! Okay. Tux, why are you out there? My cat is out there. I just wanted to show him, but he ran out. I don't think he gets it. There's little birds over there. Lots of them. And cars are still coming in and out. Shoo! Shoo! Okay, I think he just noticed the birds. Tux, come on! Well, the birds are enjoying this, I think. I'm really exhausted. So, not only am I fighting, first it was getting stuff for the hurricane, and then it was dealing with the hurricane, and then dealing with the cleanup of the hurricane, all the trees everywhere, and now I'm dealing with water everywhere. Which is right down there. The yard is about to join with the canal right now. That's what that little space is. That's all we have right now for front lawn. But I gotta try to get my cat in. Tux, come on. Oh, look at that. The FedEx guy still makes it here. That's amazing. They're very reliable. Yeah. Oh, maybe I have a delivery. Okay. Stay. Okay, I'm gonna go get the FedEx guy's mail. Hopefully these birds won't. Shoo, 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 shoo. Just leave it there. I'll get it on the way out.
Okay, I'm sitting on these bushes.
All right, thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, he can't make it down the street. All right. Well, this is how my day goes. There's the water coming up the sidewalk. So I'm pretty much surrounded by water and nature and lots of wildlife. Birds aren't bothering me right now. So, and there's my cat. He's fine. I'll have to watch him though, because these birds, I don't know if they come and bother the people and the animals. I'm going to try to go get my mail that he just dropped off. Come on, little birds. Come on. Blackies. I call all pets blackies. I don't know why. Come on. I'm going to go get the mail. Go. Go. Come on. This is what I'm talking about. It's exhausting. It's almost like you have to go through a maze to continue with one task. And all I'm trying to do is get the FedEx mail that was sent to me just now. The birds won't move. That's too close to the water. This is my only direction that could be maybe walked through right now. And these birds are blocking me. Okay, come on, birds. Let me go get the mail. Let me get the mail. Go on. Go get that fish. Go on. Oh, man. Come on, birds. Oh, shit. Okay, well, I think I could live without the mail. I'll make someone that I know get it, or when I go get it out. It's very exhausting. Oh, here comes a wave. A car went over the driveway. There's lots of cars in and out, though, right now. A lot of people want to look what's going on. Huh? Here, just go on here and you see what's going on. That mail is pretty far away. See if you could. Let me see if I could get across here without anything getting me. Oh, come on. No, no. No. This is just so exhausting. Shoo. Shoo. I don't know. Come on, Tux. You better go in. All right, my cat's in okay. I'm going to have to walk around maybe. Come on. Come on, Tux. Go in. You really want to stay out here? Then you're a troublemaker, Tux. You want trouble. All right. Tux, will you protect me? I'm trying to see if my cat will protect me. But who'll protect him? All right. He's okay. Wait, he's near the door. Okay, I'm going to try this way. See if they come near me. This is just not right. Come on. If it rains, that mail, I don't even know what's in it. Oh, there's a county truck. What are they doing here? Maybe they're here to help. I don't know what they're going to do. No, they just made a big wave. That's all they did. Shoo! Shoo! See what these birds do? They separate. See, there's one over there. There's two walking here. They separate to throw you off. That's what they're doing. They're trying to throw me off, so I think there's only two of them. Still trying to get across the yard to get the mail. I don't think it's happening. Oh, more birds. They must be eating something. I don't know what. Fish, maybe? Alright. Okay, now I can go. I hope these birds aren't a problem. Shoot. Make sure there's no alligators around right now. It's a big, big thing to get across the yard. No! All right, I'm gonna go get that mail. Don't come near me, birds. I think this is not my yard anymore. I think it's their yard. Shit. Oh my gosh. So close. I don't know if these birds are dangerous or what, but I'm actually walking on water too right now. Okay, it's very squishy. The water's still coming up. Okay, I did it. Oh my God, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Better be important. Oh, it's Keanu's album. Oh no, now the birds won't let me in. Oh, shoot. No, no, no! 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 This is insane. No! No! Try to get home. Freaking bird won't let me in now. Go back that way. Shoo! Oh my God. Shoo! Keanu, this album better be good. I'm just trying to get in the house, okay? It's okay. Shh. Shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I made it. These freaking birds are insane. I gotta get in. Don't come back.